So we're out here in the field. I got the Arrow's Bigfoot. We're gonna take it out on its maiden flight, see how it handles. I added the Spektrum safe receiver, so it should do pretty good. We was just out here flying the little one and trying to get a hang of it. So this is the field we're gonna fly in. So the football field by my son's school. It's not the biggest field, but at least there are short trees all around it in case we get into trouble. It's a little windy. Wind just picked up, so we're just gonna wait a second. Hopefully it dies out. All right, so we got the battery in. I got a 3S2200. Got the LiPo alarm. Yeah, let's go. Let's see how it goes. Checking our surfaces. Elevator, rudder, throttle.
Throttle cut on. Throttle cut off.
So far so good.
Landing flaps. Take off flaps. Flaps up.
All right, well, let's go, guys. So guess what? The elevator isn't working again. Noticed that the elevator in the back wasn't moving. So I double checked it, took it apart, made sure everything was connected, and clearly it was. And the servo still wasn't doing anything. So with my finger, I moved the servo, slightly, try to, wiggle it or whatever, and it then started to move. So now, when I use the remote, it does what it's supposed to do. I just don't know if I should chance it and fly it and it goes bad and it causes me to crash. Well, I guess I'll unplug it, plug it in, and go through a couple of cycles, and if it continues to work, I'll just send it. If not, I guess I had to call Arrows and get a new servo. But this is the second Arrows airplane I purchased that has issues with the servo. First was the Marlin. Both flaps wouldn't work. Well, one would work, one wouldn't. And then both don't work anymore. And now this one. So, I don't know. I guess I shouldn't buy anything from Arrows anymore. All right, guys, we're gonna give this another try. Let's go.
Flaps up.
It looks like it needs a lot of trimming. Looks like it wants to come down on me. Let's slow her down a little bit. So I gotta do a lot of I don't know why it wants to come down on me. So I gotta give it a lot of up elevator. This is our maiden. I think I gotta bring her down. Not getting the response I want. So got the flaps down.
Landing flaps.
Look how it slows down so much. It's crazy. That was crazy. But it needed a lot of adjustments. I'm not sure what's going on. All right, guys, we're gonna try it again. I did a little bit of adjustments. Let's see how it goes.
Throttle cut on. Throttle cut off. Take off flaps. Flaps up.
Just still wants to go down. I gotta give it a lot of upstick. But it's flying a lot better than before. I guess it does a lot better once it picks up a lot of speed. But it's flying pretty good. What do you think, Elijah?
It looks fine.
Definitely doing a lot better than the first take. I don't know what was the difference. I'm gonna slow her down a little bit. See if we can get a nice shot.
Take off flaps.
Let's slow her down for the video. Let's take off flaps. Look at that. Flaps up. So that's the alarm. We're gonna have to land soon, so let's see. Let's bring her around. Landing flaps.
Landing flaps.
Kind of high, but I'm still learning. We're gonna land from all the way up there. Maybe not. We're gonna have to get out of this and come back. We're gonna have to give this another take. The wind picked up, so
Landing flaps.
it's like it goes up as soon as I put the landing flaps. But look at it, it's slowing down a lot. It's like a kite. Look at this. Holy crap, we did it. Nice. Alright guys, well that was the maiden for the Arrow's Bigfoot. As you can see, the wind picked up when I was up there flying. It was a little rough, but I mean, I have, 2 weeks of flying experience, so I think I did pretty good.